So once you've selected the free prezi, you made your presentation, you have it look how you want to look, you can go to present and you can have a preview. And just take a look at it, make sure it looks how you want it to look. Later on, once you want to share, you have to go to the share button. You're going to want to view link. You put in your title, I already put one in, prezi example. And then you're going to go to over here. This is what your link is going to be. This is a link that you're going to end up giving out for other people to be able to get it. So you're going to want to copy the link. And then you don't want to deactivate the link because it's going to help them find your presentation. I'm going to go into a Word document. And you can just paste your link in. And it should bring you right to your presentation whenever you're ready to present. Go. It's all set, and that's how you share a link in Prezi. And once you give out that link, the person can see what you created. This one is up for you. You have shared your link now.